but still promise you right on this channel. Stay tuned.
Yes, working smart is one of those things you would want to consider as a user of this power tool. Alright, so this is the Dongcheng Angle Grinder. As you can see, very durable, sorting out or doing justice to this particular, steel, as you can see right here. And it is actually superb. Like we always, bring it your way, the best and best of products that can help you, achieve that purpose in which you want to achieve, and of course making the entire job and work pretty much easier for you. As you can see right here, the entire process of setting it up is very easy. This is a sharp, Dongcheng, angle grinder, as you can see right here, and this is just pretty much it. Get your work done pretty much easy and then deliver to your client.